beautiful people, welcome. It's me Vera again, and in today's video I'm going to be trying this Japanese most effective keratin treatment on my thick fuzzy hair. Will it work? Let's find out. So to make this treatment, all you need is two basic items. Let's start with number one, which is okra. So first I'm going to go ahead and blend my okra, which was what she did first. Now after blending, I'll go ahead and sieve the okra. The reason why it's important to sieve your DIYs like this is so that the particles will not be stuck on your hair. Trust me, it takes time. Like, it's a whole struggle to wash it out. So go ahead and blend your okra if you're going to be joining this practice, or if you're doing any other DIY that is in this form. So the okra is now well sieved. Now it's time for the second part, which is adding conflour to the okra. So I'm going to be adding just 1 tablespoon, just as it is in the video, and then I'm going to add a little water to be able to mix the conflour. The reason why I'm adding water to my own is because I noticed that my okra paste is much more thicker than hers in the video, so that's why I added water to be able to mix everything properly. Now after mixing, I'll go ahead and put it on my stove and continue mixing for about 2 minutes. When 2 minutes is up, this is what it is looking like. Look at the color, very beautiful. So now I'm going to add just top up the rest of the ingredients. So first thing that I'm going to add to top up is my oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use coconut oil if that is what your hair loves. After adding my olive oil, it's time to add my vitamin E. So I added 3 capsules of my vitamin E because it is smaller. If you have the bigger version of this vitamin E, you can use 2. You can use 2 or 1, or if you have the one inside bottle, you can just use like a teaspoon. All right, so now mix it properly. It's important to mix it properly so that the oils and the okra paste will be mixed together. We homologize. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mix it properly and I'll be back. Now after mixing, it's time for the application. So this is what my hair was looking like before I started applying the okra on my hair. Now I've gone ahead to wash my hair on this very day. Yes, I love to wash my hair before adding treatment of my hair, just so that my hair will be in a better condition to receive the treatment and so that it will benefit my hair more. So first thing I did was to add hot water inside my bottle water so that it will help open the cuticle. Even though I had already washed my hair with shampoo, I think my hair in this video was already dried, so I had to find a way to reopen my cuticle, which is where the hot water comes in. This is our sticky yang. This is our okra. Yeah, don't mind me, I was just complaining that I don't like sticking. Alright sisters, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a like, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please don't make it your last. Consider subscribing to the channel and stay tuned. So I was busy complaining until my eyes now caught the effects of my hair already. Like, can you guys see what I am seeing here? So this is me trying to apply the treatment on my hair. I'm following one twist at a time because I washed my hair twisted. So now I'll be taking down the twist one after the other, and I'll be applying this treatment on each twist. Okay, you guys, look at how coily my hair has become. Look at how coily my hair is looking. Like, I've not seen my hair this coiled up. So I was wowed by the effect so far, even though I've not even done like a quarter of my hair, but I can tell that I'm onto a very nice beginning. So let's talk a little bit about this keratin treatment and why it is good for your hair. Now, keratin is the building block of our natural hair. It's where our hair is, what forms our hair and our nails. It's like a protein, do you get, that helps, you know, bond our hair together, that helps make our hair grow, that helps strengthen the hair. So sometimes when you're lacking in keratin, it can affect your hair in terms of your hair being too frizzy, too dry, too difficult to manage. That is where this artificial keratin treatment comes in. So for Japanese women, this treatment is supposed to straighten their hair, you know, make their hair, you could see from the picture I posted earlier how the hair was so smooth. But in our own, we African women with fussy hair, it curls up our coils. Now look at look at what I'm telling you. Look at how coily. Naturally, our hair will not just coil up like this on its own without you applying any form of jelly consistency. Sometimes even the jelly consistency will still not coil up your hair like this. My hair, let me speak personally, right? So I was pretty much amazed at how this treatment, the amount of coils that I am seeing on my hair from trying out this treatment. Honestly speaking, it wowed me. Look at that. I was so excited to see my hair coil up this way. So should you try it? Well, I believe that if you've never seen coils on your natural hair, you should give this a try. I think if it can work on my hair, it's going to work on your hair too, I believe, because my hair is quite thick. Although I've seen people whose hair is thicker than mine, but my hair is thick. So if it works on my hair, chances are it will work on your own hair too. So you can give it a try. Now, coiling up our natural hair is not the only benefit of this treatment on black fussy hair. Another benefit that you can enjoy from using this treatment is how strong your hair becomes. And I don't mean strong in a negative way, no. I mean how fortified your strands becomes. Like your strands is like resilient or resistant to breakage. So you would notice less breakage if you use this treatment. And I'm telling you, look at, you will see my comb in a bit, that even after combing my hair, there was no breakage on the hair strands, on my comb from my hair. So by the time I finished my entire head, there was breakage, but the breakage was so minimal. I believe it's the shaded hair, but let's still call it breakage. I believe it's the shaded hair. It was so minimal. So to be fair, this treatment is not for hair that is not well detangled like this my hair. All right, so even though it has a lot of mucilage, comb and brush was still not sliding through like it did when I first used conflour on my hair. I'll find the clip and put it up here. On that particular day, the comb and the brush was just sliding through easily, no obstruction, no nothing. But on this particular one, the coils are better, the coils are well formed than the conflour's own, but the combs and the brush was not sliding as smoothly as I expected it to, especially because of how coily it made my hair look, right? So if you're going to be trying this treatment, which I believe and I think that you should try it, if you're going to be trying this treatment, I would advise that you detangle your hair properly before trying this treatment. Because will it coil up your hair? Yes, it will definitely coil up your hair. But is it for detangling matted dry hair? For me, no, it was not. But for you, the result might be different, so you can try it out. Alright guys, so I finished applying the treatment on my entire head. I'll go right ahead and cover it and leave it for like 30 to 1 hour. On this particular day, I think I left it for 30 minutes. Because I was going to leave it for 30 minutes only, I had to tie this thick towel around my hair so that it will be able to trap in heat much faster or much better. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you enjoyed this one next, the cornflour video. Try it out and let me know. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in this video next.